In this video, I will show how to fix Arabic and Hebrew typing problems in Illustrator. So once you type, or you can copy paste any Arabic text, so it's appear like this. So to resolve this problem, click on Edit, then hover cursor to Preferences, then click on Type. Here, check this box, Show Indic Options. It's will be unselected, so select it, then click on OK. Now here click on paragraph, then in this top side you will get these three lines, click on it, then select this third option, Middle Eastern and South Asian single line composer. Once you select it, so this error and problem will be fixed. So this way you can resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.